Welcome to another elementary ESL-lounge reading lesson video. Today we will be reading How to Paint a Wall. Let's begin with some vocabulary. Prepare. To make something ready to be used. Surface. The top or outside part of something. Protect. To keep something safe from damage. Edge. The line where two surfaces meet like a corner. Roller. A tool for painting large flat surfaces. Coat. A layer of paint. Now you know the key words, let's read the story. Painting a wall is an easy way to make a room look new. First, you need to prepare the room. Move all the furniture away from the wall. Then, cover the floor and any furniture with old sheets or plastic to protect them from paint. It is also important to clean the wall's surface with a wet cloth and let it dry completely. Next, you are ready to paint. Open the can of paint and stir it well with a clean stick. Use a small paintbrush to paint the edges of the wall first. These are the parts near the ceiling, the floor, and in the corners. After you paint the edges, use a roller for the main part of the wall. Put some paint on your roller and move it up and down the wall in a W or M shape to get a good, even surface. End of page 1. Let's continue. Let the first coat of paint dry completely. This can take a few hours, so be patient. Most walls need a second coat. This makes the color look richer and covers any parts you missed. When the second coat is dry, you can carefully remove the protective sheets. Don't forget to clean your brushes and roller with soap and water. Finally, move your furniture back, stand back, and enjoy your beautiful new room. Okay, time for a few questions to check your understanding. Question 1. What is the first thing you must do to prepare? A. Open the paint. B. Move the furniture away from the wall. C. Clean the roller. Pause the video now to think about your answer. The correct answer is B. The text says to move all the furniture away from the wall. Question 2. Why should you cover the floor? A. To keep it warm. B. To make it look nice. C. To protect it from paint. Pause the video now to think about your answer. The correct answer is C. The text says you should cover the floor to protect it from paint. Question 3. Which tool should you use for the edges and corners? A. A small paintbrush. B. A large roller. C. A wet cloth. Pause the video now to think about your answer. The correct answer is A. The text says to use a small paintbrush for the edges. Question 4. What tool do you use for the main part of the wall? A. A clean stick. B. A small brush. C. A roller. Pause the video now to think about your answer. The correct answer is C. The text says to use a roller for the main part of the wall. Question 5. How many coats of paint do most walls need? A. Only 1 coat. B. 2 coats. C. 3 coats. Pause the video now to think about your answer. The correct answer is B. The text says that most walls need a second coat. Let's quickly summarize the lesson. On this screen, you can review the main points of the text and the key vocabulary. Finally, here are a few discussion questions. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching this ESL-lounge video. Don't forget to subscribe for more lessons, and we'll see you in the next one.